Imagine starting your day with purpose and clarity, nurturing your mind and your body and your soul. What would it be like to start each morning with design and intentionality and actually get more done by 8 a.m. than most people do in 8 hours? Well, when you start your day with the 606 Rise method, that's exactly what happens. Instead of hitting the snooze button 3 times and rolling over, pulling the blankets over your head, or trying to muscle through that morning depression that so often comes and that lack of motivation, you can rise each morning to a day filled with endless possibilities. With the 606 Rise method, every morning is an opportunity to rise and thrive as you check off the boxes, get your goals met, increase your productivity, finish the books you've been trying to get through, and exercise your mind and your body, and so much more. Hey everybody, I'm Dawn Damon, the CEO of the BraveHearted Woman. Before I started this method, I used to wake up to the tyranny of the day, jump out of bed just in time to get the kids rolling, make lunches, jump in the shower, run off, hair a mess, not eating breakfast. But since using the 606 Rise morning method, I changed, my whole life, everything really. I've written 6 books, started my own business, lost 15 pounds, found them again, lost 15 menopause pounds, coached hundreds of clients. I speak on stages all over the world. I've married the man of my dreams, built my dream house. Am I bragging? Not at all. Well, yeah, I'm bragging on God. But this system works, and it'll work for you too, to untap your full potential. What's inside of you? I'm totally convinced that this one habit will change everything for you like it did for me. So if you want to know more about the 606 Rise method and how to implement it in your life, I'll be training in a workshop that very thing, just to teach you how to rise brave. In fact, we've called it the Rise Brave Workshop, where science meets practical strategies. I'll teach you how to unlock the transformative power of the 606 Rise method, craft a personalized and energetic morning routine just for you. We'll align your morning routine with what you say are your goals and your values to give you ultimate success, and enhance your life through intentional practice of the guided journaling method. So instead of aimlessly floundering throughout your day, why not rise brave, with every morning being a chance to rise to your design? Start your journey today. Visit our website and sign up for the Rise Brave Workshop. Empower your mornings and transform your life. Check out the link below to catch the next scheduled workshop.